Let's dive into the exciting world of live streaming on Plenty of Fish. First, open the POF app on your mobile device. Now, log into your account. Make sure your profile is up to date to attract viewers. Once logged in, look for the live icon at the bottom of your screen. It's usually next to other key features. Tap on the live icon and get ready to choose your camera setup. Ensure you have good lighting for the best experience. Before going live, check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for a smooth streaming experience. Finally, hit the Go Live button and start engaging with your audience. Encourage them to interact and comment. During your live stream, introduce yourself and let viewers know what to expect in your session. Encourage audience interaction with questions and polls. This keeps your viewers hooked and active. Consider adding fun elements like filters and effects to enhance your streaming experience. Wrap up your session by thanking your viewers for joining. Encourage them to watch your next stream. Review your stream afterward to see what worked well and what you'd like to improve for next time. And that's it. You're now ready to share your experiences live on Plenty of Fish.